Hey there! Welcome to our video on the top 5 ways to make $20,000 a month. If you're looking for ways to increase your income and reach your financial goals, you won't want to miss this. So, let's get started. Number 5 on our list is by becoming a freelancer. If you have a particular skill or expertise, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can use websites like Upwork or Freelancer to find paid gigs. By taking on multiple projects, you can earn a substantial amount each month. Number 4 is by starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic and are able to consistently create engaging content, you can monetize your blog or channel through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the right amount of dedication and hard work, it's possible to make a significant income through these platforms. Number 3 is by investing in real estate. While this option requires a significant amount of capital upfront, it can also bring in a steady stream of passive income. You can choose to flip houses, become a landlord, or even invest in vacation rentals. Number 2 is by starting an online store. With the rise of e-commerce, there has never been a better time to sell products online. Whether you make your own products or source them from wholesalers, you can use platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify to reach a wide audience and make sales. And finally, number 1 on our list is by starting a service-based business. This could be anything from offering consulting services to becoming a tutor or coach. By providing a valuable service and finding a niche market, it's possible to charge premium rates and make $20,000 a month or more. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make $20,000 a month. Whether you choose to freelance, start a blog or YouTube channel, invest in real estate, start an online store, or offer a service, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to increase your income and achieve your financial goals. Now, if you want to make a full-time income from home step by step, click the link in description. Thanks for watching.